Alright, go ahead. Just have to shoot them in the trees. I was hoping to get lower shots. Let's start with this one here.
Got him, Kyle, yep.
Alright. On your marks. Get set. Go. Nice. Alright, smoke. Hold fire. Rock his world. Very nice. Let these guys have it in the front. Nice, hold fire. Let's start in the back, rock the world.
Got two right below us.
Copy, hold fire real quick. Fill them up. Nice shot. On your marks. Get set. Fire. Let them have it. Fuck them up. Load them up. Alright, if you get a shot on him, we'll go ahead and... Man, y'all had chunks of pig flying off of him.
I saw that. And he still didn't go down.
Alright. Go ahead. He's on. Hold fire. Light him up. We had one lone pig who thinks he's gonna get away.
Good job, Kyle. You just gotta slow him down for me.
Alright. Let these little guys have it. Cartwheel. Nice shot. Hold fire. Alright, you guys smoke them. Big fucking pig. Hold fire. Smoke them. Nice shot. Get this one in front of us right here. Nice, hold fire. When you have the shot on him, rock his world. Ran out of juice. Hold fire. We'll start the one on the left in case he breaks for the trees. Alright, grab him. Alright, y'all smoke him. There it was.
Nice shot, Paul.
Alright, get that big boy. The big frickin' pig. Nice shot. Go ahead. Nice. Here's another one. Go ahead. Nice.
I slow down and Kyle finishes them all.
Hold fire. Start making our way back. Go ahead. Nice shot.
Night, night.
Give him one more if you like. Nice shot. Damn.
Good shot, Pete.
You say, smoke him. Nice, hold fire. Poor guy struggling, let him have it. Alright, smoke him. these back too slow, guys. Smoke them. Nice shot. Nice. Start with the closest pigs to the helicopter. Let them have it. Smoke them. Especially smoked.
One right in front of you, too.
Perfect. Very nice. Filling full of lead. Nice shot. Once you have the shot, it's all yours. I think that one did it. Alright, when you have the shot, let them have it. Very nice. Let them have it. Nice shot. Well done. Hold fire. Nice shot. Hold fire. They don't have anywhere to go, so just take your time. There it was. Nice shot. Right in the back of the head.
Right in the back of the head. Good shot.
You can get this one right here. Go ahead. Nice, hold fire. Let's get these two. Go ahead. Nice shot. Reload. Alright.
Good shoot.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Nice. Once you have the shot. Wow. You made it rain pig on that one. Once you have the shot, let them have it. Ooh, we're both reloading. put him in two-wheel drive, Molly. That should do it.
Four or five times.
Yeah, you did. You see his guts hanging out?
Yeah.
Man, you shoot me one time. I'm laying down right there. Go ahead. Nice, hold fire. Nice. Alright, let's start with that back one. I don't know who hit him, but good shot.
Thanks for helping me, Alan.
Excellent, Molly, excellent.
I think your first one pierced his ear. Get this big one and then go get some fuel. Damn.
Good shot, Molly.
Go ahead. Nice. Hold fire. Nice shot. On camera and all. Let's get this front one now. Nice. Hold fire. Smoke that one. Hold fire. Start with the back one. Rock his world. Yeah. Professionals. Light them out. Very nice. Nice, hold fire. Give me a shot. Like I said, fuck.
Dirt nap.
Now we're fucking talking.
Oh my god.
Let's start with these back two. Nice.
That was a big one.
Holy shit, I'm gonna turn all these before they go off property. Big pig, go ahead. Big motherfucker. That was 10. Here's one. Go ahead. There it was. Pretty big. Go ahead. That one did it. Alright, work on the closest pigs first. Go ahead. Just soaking them up. There it finally was. Rock his world. Let them have it. Very nice. Bet that'll do him. Once you have the shot, smoke him. Perfect. Alright, go ahead. There it was. Go ahead. Nice shot. And you have the shot. Nice.
Thanks.
Start with this one going up the hill right here. Very nice. Once you have the shot, smoke them. There, we got a big one going up the hill. Nice shot. Ready, set, go. There it was.
Eric should get a little margarita machine. He could have margaritas whipped up.
That'd be pretty baller.